Today we will talking about Kesari movie. This movie based on true incident which was released in 2019 and IMDb rating is 7.4. This incident happened in 1897. At that time, the British rule had created three forts on his India and Afghanistan borders, and Afghans want to capture these three forts. It was very difficult for the British to stop the Afghans, and the British now only six could stop Afghans. Then the British appointed 36 Sikh regiments on all the three forts. This story is about the bravery of 21 Sikh soldiers posted in the Saragari fort. Akshay Kumar is shown in the main role of this story, who is playing the character of Havaldar Ishwar Singh. The duty of Ishwar Singh and his companions was on the Gulistan fort. They were rhyming with their companions with Ishwar Singh, the voice of the crowd. Somewhere, when they saw the crowds led by a clerk, behind was brought to behind a woman. It's happened that the woman wanted to leave her husband because her husband was like a creature, on which the clerk issued a decree to cut the woman's throat, and all this was watching by Ishwar Singh, but Ishwar Singh only not watching to see. He told her senior officer, who was English, but he flatly refused the said, "This is his case. We will not get into his case," and asked Ishwar Singh to leave from there. But Ishwar Singh not follow the rules and orders, and Ishwar Singh start fighting, goes to the rescue, and now kills and the Afghans. Seeing Ishwar Singh doing this, the rest of his companions also start fighting to Afghans. Afghans has to run away, and Ishwar Singh saved the woman, but soon the Afghans attack on Gulistan fort. But even then they have to run away from there. But by this the intent of the story was now clear. Very soon a large army was going to come from Afghanistan. After this incident, the British officers were angry with Ishwar Singh because of that this attack on Gulistan took place. For this reason, Ishwar Singh is sent to Saragari fort. Saragari fort along with a whole poor military force. There was also a signaling tower, the middle of Gulistan and Lokhar. Now Ishwar Singh came out of the room with his order paper, but he did not salute the other officers sitting outside. This angers the officer and apologized to Ishwar Singh. Trek asked to salute and also say that quads are born from the soil of your country and run away when trouble comes. So you guys are our slaves. Hearing this, Ishwar Singh gets very angry, but he is unable to say anything. But he is determined that he will definitely answer it when the times come. Then Ishwar Singh leaves to go to Saragari, and on the way he meets the same girl whom Ishwar Singh had saved. After talking to her, Ishwar Singh again moved ahead and remaining nearby, and at least he reaches Saragari. But there he sees soldiers without clothes playing. Ishwar Singh ordered to stop eating for 2 weeks to teach him manners. Except 90-year-old boy Gurmukh Singh gives orders on which those soldiers feel very bad. But after 2 days the soldiers come to know that Ishwar Singh is hungry with him. For 2 days after that, all the soldiers go and apologize to Ishwar Singh and everyone eats together. But they come to know that their news. Ishwar Singh, who lived in the village of Afghans and see there a mosque is being repaired, but only repairing the mosque children, women and old people are doing only. Then Ishwar Singh as his companions start helping him in build the mosque. But on the next day an army of 10,000 of the Afghans, the drums comes in front of the Saragari fort. It was such a sight that even Mahakal was scared to see it. When Ishwar Singh saw this to scared him. The clear gets such a girl behind it who was saved by Ishwar Singh. And this time only 21 Sikhs were present on Saragari fort and there were 10,000 soldiers in the front army. Ishwar Singh sent a Lokhard message for help, but now the Afghans was blocking all the road and orders come from above to leave fort and run away. But for Ishwar Singh and his companions it was acceptable to die, better than to run away. Ishwar Singh along with his companions decide to fight, and his fighting start at 9 a.m. in the morning. This fight was quite simple to see, just 21 on one side and on the other hand the army of 10,000, but not so simple. Made history in the battle, learned bravery and gradually all the Sikhs keep getting martyred on after the order. In these coins there was also a 90-year-old boy Gurmukh Singh was victorious, but now because of the deceit of the Afghan, the rear wall of the fort was broken and 5 Sikhs were killed in it. But by then it was 3 p.m. in afternoon. Now Ishwar Singh had to stop them for another 2 or 3 hours. But Ishwar Singh were the only there at 3% remainder. Now Ishwar Singh were the only 3 people left. One was left Chanda Singh, the other was Gurmukh Singh and one was Ishwar Singh. Ishwar Singh locks Gurmukh Singh and Chanda Singh in a room and himself now he went down to fight, a sword in his hand, a turban on his head, an iron bangle in his hand. It seemed that the real Mahakal was standing in his Rudra form. Ishwar Singh killed many of Afghans, took an hour and a half. When Ishwar Singh gets shot, then Chanda Singh did not see this and he came out of the room. Chanda Singh also died fighting bravery. It was now evening and his army had arrived to help Gulistan and the people. The Afghans had now lost the battle. When an Afghan king asked Ishwar Singh if he had any last wishes, Ishwar Singh said, "Cut off the head, but don't touch the turban." That of the Afghan king promised well. Noel, touch your turban and the turban of your companions. Hearing this, Ishwar Singh closed her eyes calmly and slowly, looking at Gurmukh Singh and said, "डट के सरदारा." Now the king who had promised to Ishwar Singh went away and win another Afghan king saw Gurmukh Singh. He said, "Set the fort on fire. I want to hear the clerks of this chieftain." Then the Afghans set fire on the fort, but Gurmukh Singh came out of the fort. His whole body was burning, but not a single sound was coming out of his mouth. Then when he stood in front of Afghani king, a voice came out which said, "Jo bole so nihal, Sat Sri Akal." After this, Gurmukh Singh blew up that king with a bomb, and with this, even after being martyred 21-6, he won the battle. Ishwar Singh, the officer who had told that only cowards are born from your soil, he apologized and saluted Ishwar Singh. The highest award at that time was given to 21-6. So friends, how did you like this video? If you like this video, then please tell, comment section, please like, subscribe, share. Okay, goodbye.